Choosing the right gas pressure washer can significantly enhance how quickly and easily you tackle tough outdoor messes. Today's models deliver higher PSI, better water flow, more durable engines, and smarter designs that make cleaning driveways, decks, siding, and vehicles effortless. If you want serious power that lasts season after season, picking the right one matters. To help you decide, here are the top 5 best gas pressure washers that were carefully selected for performance, durability, and real-world cleaning results. Remember to check the links in the description for the best deals on every model. The 5th product on our list is the Dewalt 61147S. This Dewalt 3300 PSI gas pressure washer is the best budget-conscious gas pressure washer with strong pressure and versatility. This washer is able to give you professional-level results while staying easy to use, even if you're new to gas pressure washers. With 3,300 PSI and 2.4 GPM, you get the perfect balance of pressure and flow to tackle driveways, decks, patios, siding, and even paint prep. Dirt, mildew, and built-up grime come off fast, saving you time and effort on every job. Powering it all is a Dewalt 208cc engine that starts easily and runs smoothly, so you're not fighting the machine before you even begin. The durability of this washer truly sets it different. The OEM Technologies axial cam pump delivers steady pressure, while the welded powder-coated steel frame adds long-term strength. A built-in thermal relief valve helps prevent overheating, so you can clean longer with confidence. You'll appreciate how easy it is to move and store. The compact, lightweight design paired with 10-inch pneumatic tires lets you roll smoothly over grass, gravel, and uneven ground. When you're done, it stores neatly without taking over your garage. It also comes fully equipped. You get a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose, an ergonomic spray gun, a 16-inch steel wand, and 5 quick connect nozzles that let you switch from gentle rinsing to aggressive blasting in seconds. If you want a pressure washer that's tough, dependable, and perfectly tuned for home use, the Dewalt 3300 PSI gas pressure washer delivers exactly what you need. The 4th product on our list is the Amerissun AL1038A. If you are a homeowner and want to maximize cleaning power without dealing with cords or weak pressure, the Amerissun 3800 PSI gas pressure washer might be an ideal choice for you. It will handle the toughest outdoor messes and make heavy-duty cleaning feel fast and effortless. The 3800 PSI with 2.5 GPM output really makes it unique. The moment you start spraying, you can blast through grease, mud, mold, and stubborn stains on driveways, patios, decks, and house siding. It's powerful enough for concrete, but still controlled for everyday home use. At the core is a 212cc 4-stroke OHV engine with a forced air cooling system, so you get steady pressure even during long cleaning sessions. That means no overheating, no power drop, and reliable performance from start to finish. You'll also love the flexibility. The 5 quick connect nozzles let you switch instantly from a gentle soap spray for cars to an aggressive jet for concrete and brick. One machine easily handles cars, fences, outdoor furniture, and home exteriors. Moving it around is just as easy. The 10-inch never-flat wheels roll smoothly over grass, gravel, and uneven driveways, so you're not fighting the machine while you work. And since it's gas-powered, you're free to clean anywhere without worrying about outlets or extension cords. Do you want durable, long-term reliability and pro-level results at home? The Amerissun gas pressure washer is a powerful upgrade you won't regret. The 3rd product on our list is the VEVOR 170B. If you're looking for a gas pressure washer that delivers heavy-duty jobs and professional-level cleaning, the VEVOR 3500 PSI gas pressure washer is a standout choice. It's come for tough outdoor cleaning and gives you the freedom to work anywhere, no electrical outlet needed. What makes this washer impressive is its 3,500 PSI output with 2.6 GPM water flow. The moment you pull the trigger, you'll feel how easily it cuts through years of dirt, moss, grease, and oil stains on concrete driveways, brick patios, fences, and siding. Heavy grime doesn't slow you down, it disappears. At the heart of the machine is a powerful 210cc gas engine paired with a durable aluminum pump. It's easy to start, runs smoothly, and delivers consistent pressure, making it perfect for DIY users who want strong, reliable performance without constant maintenance. You also get excellent versatility. The 5 quick connect metal nozzles let you switch from an intense jet to a gentle spray in seconds, so you can safely clean everything from cars and patio furniture to stubborn concrete stains without buying extra accessories. Mobility is another big win. The sturdy steel frame and 10-inch wear-resistant wheels roll easily over gravel, grass, and uneven ground. A 26-foot high-pressure hose gives you extended reach, while onboard storage keeps your gun, wand, and nozzles organized and ready to go. If you want a pressure washer that saves time, reduces effort, and delivers powerful results every time, the VEVOR gas pressure washer checks all the right boxes. The second product on our list is the Westinghouse WPX3400. The Westinghouse WPX3400 is the best premium gas pressure washer for demanding outdoor cleaning. It combines strong performance, durable construction, and practical features, making it an excellent option for homeowners who tackle dirt and grime. You get up to 3,400 PSI and 2.6 GPM, providing enough cleaning power for driveways, decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, garage floors, exterior walls, cars, and patio furniture. Its heavy-duty 212cc Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine works with a long-lasting, maintenance-free axial cam pump to deliver dependable pressure throughout each cleaning job. The 5 quick connect nozzles include 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap options, giving you the flexibility to clean both delicate and heavily soiled surfaces. A half-gallon onboard soap tank makes detergent application convenient, while the 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose, lightweight spray gun, and professional-style wand provide excellent control and reach. It also supports surface cleaners, undercarriage cleaners, and foam cannons with standard M22 fittings. Despite its heavy-duty design, moving the machine is straightforward. Its tough steel frame and large 12-inch never-flat wheels offer easy transportation across lawns, driveways, and uneven surfaces. The 1-gallon fuel tank helps reduce interruptions during larger projects. It includes engine oil, an oil funnel, tools, and a quick start guide. Factory testing and a 3-year limited warranty provide additional peace of mind. If you want premium gas-powered performance, accessories, and dependable durability, the Westinghouse WPX3400 is an excellent home cleaning investment. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Simpson ALH3425. This Simpson cleaning 3,600 PSI gas pressure washer is one of the best overall pressure washers for serious homeowners. It is the most powerful and professional-grade pressure washer you can put your hands on. It's built for serious cleaning jobs and designed to deliver commercial performance every time you pull the trigger. You get a Honda GX 200 Commercial Series engine, which means easy starts, smooth operation, and long-term reliability you can count on. This washer is paired with a maintenance-free AAA industrial triplex pump. It delivers a hard-hitting 3,600 PSI at 2.5 GPM, giving you fast, deep cleaning power for decks, concrete, wood restoration, paint prep, and heavy equipment. What really sets this washer apart is its aircraft-grade aluminum frame. It's lighter than steel, resists corrosion, and holds up in harsh job site conditions. The 10-inch pneumatic tires make it easy to roll across gravel, grass, and uneven ground without slowing you down. You'll also love the pro-level accessories. It comes with a 35-foot Moreflex high-pressure hose that resists kinks and abrasions, a professional spray gun with a safety lock, a 16-inch steel wand, and 5 quick connect nozzles for total control, from gentle rinsing to blasting stubborn dirt. It's 49 state compliant, easy to assemble, and built for contractors who want speed, durability, and results. If you want a pressure washer that feels like a true workhorse and makes every job faster and easier, this Simpson Aluminum Series 3600 PSI gas pressure washer is a clear winner. That's all for our list of the top 5 best gas pressure washers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.